Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Now start the process. Open the team or chat where the presentation belongs and navigate to the Files tab. That's where you'll place the PowerPoint. Once done, click Upload or drag the PPTX from your folder into Files. Make sure you pick the correct channel or chat so collaborators find it. If you plan to present, prefer the desktop app because it supports PowerPoint Live. Otherwise, the web app works for basic sharing and viewing. Once the file is uploaded, you'll manage access and how it opens. Right-click the uploaded PPTX to copy a share link or adjust permissions so teammates can view or edit. Make sure you select Can Edit only if collaboration is needed. Next, choose how to open the file, edit in browser for quick tweaks, open in desktop app for full features, or use Present in Teams to launch PowerPoint Live. This step controls whether viewers can follow along, download, or edit. You're at the finish line. Present or hand off. In a meeting, choose Share Content and pick PowerPoint Live to present slides without screen sharing, which preserves quality and gives you notes. If you prefer, open the file and share that window instead. Make sure participants have view access. Once done, stop sharing and confirm the file appears under Files for later access. If anything goes wrong, check file size and network, verify OneDrive sync, then reupload. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.